chicken and we cut up smaller, but when me wash rice, me wash all the starch out of it. So when I wash all. You need a heart. This is my patty protein. I'm gonna add some more to it. Hi guys, today we're doing a spend the day with me, guys. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. The last vlog I'm gonna see was like a month ago, and then but I just disappear because that's what I do. You see, that's the thing that I do when I want to reach my goal, and it's like I want to do it, but something is holding me back. No, let me not say that, but yeah, it's just truth of the matter is, when you're there from yard to home, you don't have nothing much to do. So what should I take up the phone and do? What should I take up the phone and press record and do? I don't know what to show now. Yeah, the last vlog I say, as I say, was a month ago. As I say, I don't know, I have nothing I have nothing to do. Shit, man, I chat foolishness. But today you guys are spending the day with me. How fun that is. At home, by the way, guys. I'm not going nowhere. Guys, honestly though, me did do a vlog where I do errands. Because, yeah, I start back to school shop already. Oh, I'm here folding clothes, by the way. I'm deciding to pick up the camera and say, you know what? Let's do a spend a day with me. As I said, I'll go back to school. Start back to school shop already. Yeah, woo. I'm so excited, as you can see. Because, like, at the first start of July, I'm start already. Can you believe that? And actually, I'm soon done. As I was saying though, before my phone storage full, that's the next story. You see, me fight the storage. Me done most of the things, and like the most important things. I talk about like school fee, the uniform, and me get the school shoes. So, and then me get the text with them. So that's the most important part. And then I look at necessities them like the toiletries and the stationery and medical. And then after that, I'm fully finished. And mind you, July just starts, so I'm onto something great. Yeah. One thing about me is I'm an early bird. Like, me an early bird. No, me rephrase that. I'm a thing couldn't hear myself already. Me an early bird when it comes to my peak. When it comes to me, if I go somewhere, yeah man, last minute man. Yeah man. Last minute. When it comes to Azen, early bird. But yeah, I'm finished. I'm somebody do one done before August. Every single thing before August. Still have time, so hopefully we're done before August, and then at least August is gonna be for me, you know what I mean? August is gonna be for me. So if y'all see me outside shaking my yeah, I'm gonna after this we're gonna finish go to breakfast. Yeah, them we're gonna finish go with my baby. I'm gonna name them breakfast because summer everybody they here. Yeah, and then we're gonna I'm not showing the party because I'm gonna go cook today. Probably showing the part where me will go my breakfast. Or not, but me I go cook today, so I go insert a cooking slip. So what's on the agenda today? Me I do laundry right now. Me I go cook. Not laundry, yeah, it's actually laundry, but me I fold right now, but me I go wash. So laundry and cook and of course sleep. So I'll call you back when something interesting is going on. Bye guys, we're in the kitchen. Welcome to Cooking with Sammy. Cooking with, listen, I mean I normally cook. Everybody know that, the whole world know that. Who know me know I don't cook. But today on the menu, I actually pre-cut up the things already because I didn't want a video because I just didn't want to do my thing. I'm not gonna video the whole thing. But let's show you what on the menu. We have cabbage. Can I contemplate if you do ground provision or rice? But guess what? I think I'm gonna do rice because rice easy cook, right? Yeah. And then the chicken. It didn't go marinate. It was marinating for some time. We're doing chicken with the good old Maggie. Hold on, this not focus. The good old Maggie, yeah man. And then we'll put some black pepper on it. But if we can add more though. And then we'll put some blend up pan it. So we're on to a good start. And then later on now, let me tell you how me make my rice and am I first time I cook this? I think so. I think I first time I put this combination together. Or probably the second time, but as we say me no cook. I go make the chicken golden brown first, and then After I make the chicken golden brown, I'm gonna take it out and then I cook the cabbage. Because I don't really want the chicken kind of soft. I don't know how to explain it. I want the chicken kind of crispy in one type of way, probably. I don't want it kind of soft. You know what I mean? I don't want a cabbage soup. I want cabbage and chicken. And then after we cook that, I'm gonna cook the cabbage. I'm gonna add a string bean in that because as I love string bean. Which you all know love string bean. Guys, let me tell you, when we buy the string bean, I mean as I did at the time, and then I even point out the string bean and say, and then he said, you know, sure I want string bean. I don't want that much. I'm like, yes, he is healthy. He's very, very healthy. This is what it is. Honestly, the chicken will be cut up smaller, but originally I said I go cook home style. I said I go cook curry. Then I don't know. I cut up it too big, and then wow, this coming like a, what you call it, like a chef atty. Then I did 2 days to cut it back over. I did clean up the surface and see that everything but they're gonna make you work. Oh, I'm gonna take it for them. Wait. Okay, the chicken is golden brown. We're going to put it in the some scallion, once again, onion, and we have string bean, and we have thyme, and we have garlic. I love garlic. I like the tea, but I like the so let's do this. We're gonna put on the rice now. I have Jamaica in this kitchen and wash the rice.
Hi
because
guys.
it get wet. Matter of fact, when me wash rice, me wash all the starch out of it. So I wash all the starch out of it. So you wash all the starch out of it, that means you wash rice for 26 times. This is how my season thing is looking. This is how my pot is looking. This is how my pot is looking. I'm gonna add some more something to it. But let's make it go and catch it color and you know the things there and then the rice over here, so I can't touch it because I don't have no dish cloth near me, so yeah, but this is how it's looking. I wish you could have smelled it through the phone. Ciao. This is an outro. But I never done a taste test, but the food was busting. Wash it down with some red wine. The food is good. Not because of me cook it, but it was really good. As I said, sorry. Wash it down with some red wine. So this is an outro video. I'm now gonna take a shower and relax. I'm gonna edit this video and you guys are gonna get it Sunday, the latest Monday. But I'm gonna post it. I'm working to post it Sunday. I know what about clips, so hopefully Sunday. But guys, thank you so much for watching. You know what I'm saying, I love you guys so much as usual, and if favorite cinemas is out, I'll call y'all back in the next video. Bye guys.